Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you the plug-and-play harness that I made for the LED reflector lights for your 9th Gen Honda Accord. So this is what you get when you order the reflector piece. And this is the LED control module, something like this, or like this. And because I wanted to make sure that these are all plug-and-play type, where I don't have to splice or cut or modify any of the stock wiring, I went ahead and made a plug-and-play harness. Here is the harness, that plug-and-play harness that I made. This is where the 4 wires are coming through. So this is the 4 wires and this is the 2 wires that you will hook up to the LED lights. This will only control the parking and brake. If you want to do the turn signal, here's the yellow wire that I wrapped. Here, this is the LED resistor that I sell, that I've connected an extra wire for the turn signal. So if you want to do everything plug and play where you don't have to splice anything, then yeah, you will need to purchase this set along with this harness. So you need to purchase both harness. But I'll show you how to go ahead and install the harness. Okay, as you can see right now, I have a coupe and I have the lights up here already. If you have the sedan version for this lights, what you need to do is to route the wires up to here is go ahead and pull this piece up. So go ahead and pull everything up. Okay. And if you look back here, you see those little rubber grommets. That's where I fed the wires through. Pull back your liner to gain access to your brake light socket and also your turn signal socket that's up here. Go ahead and unplug both of them. Now I'm going to take my control module, and on the control module, if you follow the wire, there should be this plug with 3 wires. So go ahead and plug it back into the brake light socket. On the same wire harness, on the opposite side, there will be this socket right here. Now take your original plug that you removed and then plug it into the socket. Like so. And now if you follow the harness, there's this 2 plugs right here. Now here's the LED reflector piece. I went and added electrical tape, and at the end I added a positive negative connectors. And so I'm just need to connect these together. You can only go one way, you can't mess it up. So this one goes that way and this one goes in here. Now I'm going to turn on my parking lights and apply the brakes, and you can see the brightness difference.
Okay, now here is the parking lights, and I'm going to press the brakes, and as you can see, it gets brighter, and back to parking lights.
Now if I want this to act as my turn signal as well, then I would have to take this harness and plug one side in. Now take the other end and get your original plug and plug it together. And on this harness, there is a plug that you will plug your yellow wire to. So you just make those 2 connections together like so. Now I'm gonna do both the parking, brake, and turn signal.
Okay, here is your driving lights. Now I'm applying the brakes. Again, back to your parking lights. And this is your turn signal with the brake lights turned on. Back to parking, back to brake, and back to turn signal. As you can see, all 3 functions work. As long as you have the harness connected the way that I have it, then everything should work.
That was a demo of my plug-and-play harness that I make for this LED reflector lights. If you're interested in purchasing them, please contact me at DiyCarModz@gmail.com. I'll have a link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.